Namaste, good evening. On behalf of the entire CEO Forum, Ganesh ji, Ganesh Chaturthi, many happy returns. And where is the daru? Where is the daru?
Yes, दारू है.
मेरे हाथ में पानी है.
हाँ, जिसके हाथ में दारू है वो नरक जाएगा. जिसके हाथ में पानी है नरक जाएगा.
जिसके हाथ में पूरी बोतल है वो क्या करेगा?
वो स्वर्ग जाएगा. वो तो ऑलरेडी स्वर्ग में है. अनिल जगह से वैसे राम पूर्णिमा.
There is Paul John.
Anil
Paul
Jaggi,
John.
Yes, sir.
where is your old man, Anil?
I just stepped away to ask my help to get me the old monk here. It's coming in a second.
The drink is coming, so I'll just fix my drink also, Kishore.
Yeah, Anil is also old monk fan, is it? Like you, Deepak?
Absolutely, only old monk.
Deepak was also like that from the beginning.
When we were in Greece, he was good enough to get a special bottle of old monk all the way to Kents.
Yes.
So I'll never forget that.
Yes.
हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ अभी.
मेरा आर्मी का कोटा से आता है.
Oh, wow. Anil, this is absolutely as good as it gets.
Yes, sir.
But Anil bhai, tell me, see, like my boss, Mr. Pankaj Patel, is the chairman of our group.
Yes, sir.
He is very fond of Old Monk. But what happened is about 10 years ago, I was in a boat in Rio, and I got introduced to this rum called Ron Zacapa.
That's very good. That is
Very good.
Ron
It's a Barbados rum.
No. Guatemala. And Ron Zacapa is 15 years, 23 years, and and after that, Pankaj bhai, he's still old monk. He's still loyal to Old Monk, but once in a while, he's he likes to switch over to Ron Zacapa 20.
My habit started from my engineering college, VJTI. And we used to get from the army canteen at $18 a bottle. And we used to get 4 or 5 bottles, put it in a drum, put water in it, put some Coke in it, and just keep taking glasses from it. Yeah. Luckily, I have good army friends who get me this army quota. It's now also only $90 a bottle. Yeah.
Wow.
You mentioned about the bucket and all that. See, in Manipal, because I'm bred in Mumbai, but I did 3 years of my graduation in MGM College, Udupi, which is Udupi, Manipal together. And I had a lot of friends from Bombay in Manipal, Engineering College.
Okay.
And those days, on Saturday evenings, they had parties. Either it used to be, charas ganja, or in a bucket. Old Monk was too big for these guys. Arak was the local drink.
Okay. So very similar experience. हमारा VJTI के बाहर एक काला खट्टा का लखन बैठता था, and he along with kala khatta, he used to give his nice charaska shot, and we used to have our kala khatta along with Old Monk here. Deadly combination.
Anil bhai, I think our upbringing is on similar lines. We got to meet.
So Deepak and I, when Deepak, addressed our people in Athens, there was a photograph he had posted. Cheers.
Cheers.
We were watching the Acropolis and having a 3 a.m. Old Monk.
Old Monk is the only drink which I can consume. I cannot have any other liquor. It doesn't agree with me. It is one of the issues of allergies that I have.
No, but Deepak, you said Grey Goose also goes well with you, yeah?
No, yeah, Grey Goose also was okay with me. Yeah, Grey Goose, yes. Grey Goose. But even with Grey Goose, I can have 2 pints of Old Monk, but Grey Goose maximum 1. If I have more than that, then I get a headache. So, in a way, it's good that I cannot drink too much.
So, gentlemen, can we raise a toast for GNN?
Yeah, please.
Yes,
please.
let's do that.
Deepak has put this thing, Ganesh Chaturthi. Is a good. So we can do Ganpati Bappa Moria, something like that. Yeah.
Yes.
No, so Sanjay will sing a song.
Oh, yeah.
I was asking,
Yeah.
Ananda, what time is it in your place?
It's 9:40, same as Ani, but it's morning for 9:40.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're exactly 12 hours away.
12 hours. In summer, 12 hours away. In winter, it's 13 hours.
Good, good. So Deepak, you're going to sing. Somebody was singing a song to me. So
Who's going to sing a song?
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you.
you.
Happy birthday, dear
Ganesh.
recording चल रहा है ना? Recording चल
Happy
रहा है.
birthday.
Happy birthday
To you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Recording. अरे दीपक recording चल रहा है ना?
हाँ, अभी लाल बत्ती चालू है।
लाल बत्ती चालू है, चलो।
लाल बत्ती चालू है।
चलो तो GNN आपके खिदमत में एक शेर अर्ज करता हूँ।
अरे,
आदाब आदाब।
तेरी दोस्ती ने कुछ सिखा दिया। GNN, तेरे दोस्ती ने कुछ सिखा दिया, मेरे खामोश दुनिया को जैसे हंसा दिया। तेरे दोस्ती ने कुछ सिखा दिया, मेरे खामोश दुनिया को जैसे हंसा दिया। कर्जदार हूं मैं उस खुदा का, कर्जदार हूं मैं उस खुदा का, जिसने मुझे आप जैसे दोस्त से मिला दिया।
अरे वाह
क्या बात है,
Hey,
क्या
wow,
बात है,
wow,
क्या बात है।
cheers, cheers.
Very nice, very nice.
you
Super,
know,
super,
if you
super.
are, if you can keep
Hi, Pramod.
wisdom and say that is true, I think that is the biggest tribute one human being can give to another. Yeah, I am honored.
Yeah, so maybe each one of us can say something for 2 minutes or 1 minute.
Hey, by the way, what happened to our Mr. Shivanandan? He just vanished.
Fine.
He'll come, he'll come.
No,
So in
Deepak,
this virtual world,
Ananda is saying that because he came in and he had a small conversation with me, and then yeah, he's right. I don't know where he disappeared.
And where is our man from Dubai? He's also.
Yeah, in fact,
Raza bhai is here, no Raza bhai?
Raza bhai,
Raza where are you?
in
Chup
fact,
gaye?
Ashwin and Raza were the first two guys to be online.
Raza bhai,
In this
छुपी हो कहाँ?
Ganesh, so in this virtual world, I know wearing a panther, I don't know whether it's a banyan, night suit, a party suit, or lounge suit, but since you are beyond material benefits, except for the nice scotch in your hand, and being a Deepak Rao fan and friend, I just wanted to do a small trick. Okay, empty bag है, दिख रहा है कुछ है इसमें?
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
लाइट में दिखा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं है ना?
हाँ.
लेकिन अभी दीपक राव की पावर से उसका पूरा एनर्जी लेके मैं हाथ डालता है इसके अंदर और कुछ है क्या देखता हूँ, कुछ है क्या? ये सीईओ फोरम में ऐसे जाने के बाद में कुछ ना कुछ मिलना चाहिए ना, तो ऐसा कुछ. अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात
अरे
है, क्या
वाह,
बात
वाह,
है,
वाह, वाह,
क्या बात है.
nice.
Hey, Deepak,
लेकिन
have you
ये
is he a threat to you?
हाँ,
No, I'm asking Dia, has he
हाँ.
trained you? Are you?
नो, ये देख और कुछ निकला है रे यार.
क्या बात है.
अरे यार कुछ और है क्या, देखते हैं. मतलब ये सीईओ फोरम में इतने खाना खजाना भरा हुआ है.
अभी चॉकलेट आएगा, चॉकलेट.
अभी देखो,
यार मेरे को बोतल चाहिए चॉकलेट क्या करूं मैं.
अरे और एक आया देखो.
अरे वाह,
अरे ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं भाई, तो लगता है होलसेल में खरीदा है.
पूरा तो हैप्पी बर्थडे गणेश.
Thank you. I think that was a very nice tribute paid.
That's a wonderful trick.
yeah.
This is nowhere near any of your class. This is just for our dear friend Ganesh.
He's for a magical man.
Hello. कौन सी क्लास कर रहे हैं? I mean, अनिल भाई was talking about BJTI के बाहर बैठ के बाल्टी में ये क्या ओल्ड मॉन्ग. I was talking about मणिपाल में. I'm talking about 1970 में. तभी बाल्टी में they used to bring arak और फिर कोई बॉम्बे से बड़ा बाप का बेटा लेके आता था some whiskey, कोई इंडियन वो क्या पीटर स्कॉट. So then वो बाल्टी में arak which is थर्रा, उसमें वो डालेगा. पीटर स्कॉट फिर नहीं यार 3-4 बियर डालते उसमें, वो बियर डाल के बाल्टी में, देन वो मग से निकाल के ग्लास में डाल के हमको पिलाएगा.
Ganesha, almost identical what we used to do in BJT. Almost identical. ये सब करने के बाद हम लोग जाते थे एंटोपिल कोलीवाड़ा मच्छी खाने को रात को, कोलीवाड़ा फिश. it used to be the ultimate, I'm telling you.
You're talking about कोलकाता, वो अगर बाजार के आंटी के वहां में मौसम्बी दारू कितना पीता है.
अरे वाह.
In fact, I was just thinking today, we don't have any Deepak. Where is Deepak?
Deepak has disappeared.
Deepak disappeared. किधर गया?
No, hello. I just got to get my sound. Can you hear me now?
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, so my sound was,
We can hear you.
the wireless wasn't very effective, so I just put this particular one.
By the way, tell me, how is the weather in Alibag? Yeah? Ahmedabad, we are going to hell here. Well, anyway, Javed, thank you very much. I'm on a call. Maybe we can talk at leisure tomorrow. Yeah, thanks.
So to find out how the weather is in Alibag, Anil Jagesia has a very beautiful farmhouse, big bungalow with a huge swimming pool, the works. And I think he has a private aircraft also. Or what is your, Anil? What is it? Your aircraft or you have a motorboat? Huh?
Speedboat.
Oh, he owns a speedboat. He owns a small yacht. So,
Since Deepak has mentioned about Alibag, are you aware of Bharat Daftari? Who's a
Yes, of course. Yeah. Bharat, what's this? He's also a vaccine guy.
Correct.
So-
And he has a very good property in Alibag. So good. I mean, in case you know him, in case you don't know him, I think we should connect because you are also in Alibag.
No. So let me tell you, I went to his property just exactly a month back. I am building along my property. I'm making another 4-5 rooms, and the contractor is a guy called Zain Pedar Bawa hai. वो बोला मैंने भरत दफ्तरी के लिए बहुत अच्छा बनाया, चल तेरे को दिखाता हूँ. So I went to Bharat Daftari's place. I happened to meet him also there. I've seen his place. It's a beautiful place. And coincidentally, we have the same contractor who built the main house. And now these extra rooms was built by the Zain Pedar for him. He's building for me also. So next time when we are all there, we'll have at least a multiple of 9-10 rooms available to stay.
Fantastic. And
Fantastic.
Can't wait.
Trust
So
me,
in the last 8 months, I've spent about 6.5 months in Alibag. Yeah.
super.
Wow.
Oh, superb.
Bharat Bhai will be extremely excited. I mean, we never, because
But we had quite a bit of damage in Alibag yesterday. So I'm going to send some
Oh.
pictures individually. It's lots
Oh.
of trees dropped and stuff like that. But anyway, luckily it can get repaired. Yeah.
So Ganeshji, with your and Dia's permission, can I take leave because I am in another meeting? So
No,
with
thank
all
you.
your permissions,
I mean, I should thank you because this is my occasion. Can I
have a
thank you enough for having taken out permission from your boss, and I know how the structure is. Thank you very, very much. You are astute.
absolutely my privilege and happy birthday and a great year ahead with you.
Thank you. More than your privilege, my honor. Like they say in, there's a saying, more than the calf learns to suck, does the cow learn to suckle.
Absolutely. All the best. Yeah. Bye bye. Ashwinji, bye.
thank
Bye,
you.
bye. Bye, Kran.
Bye.
Sir, I'm
So
back.
all of
Razabhai, welcome.
Radhabhai is back.
No, I reached home, I changed, and then I came back.
Oh,
Ah,
Razabhai is sitting on the same chair where I was sitting when we were in the house.
Yes.
अब कुछ महफिल में जोर आएगा. रजा भाई ने ज्वाइन किया.
अरे,
So we all know that Ganesh is the smartest guy on this group call right now. I'm not even talking about the forum. Okay.
Yes.
So now we are looking for the second smartest guy. So I have a small quiz. Okay. So let me turn the camera around. I will show you some pencils. Okay. Can you see the pencils?
no.
No.
Your picture's frozen.
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
Can see the frozen pencils.
Well, now we can see you live. Yeah.
Okay, I think it's moving my iPod.
Hang on. Yeah. Can you see
Yeah.
the pencils now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they're all same color. It's 1 pencil, 2 pencils, 3 pencils, and 4 pencils.
Okay.
You're allowed to only move 1 pencil, and it has to reverse into this should become 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It should become 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, okay. So this has to be
Second
1.
from right.
Second from right, if you remove.
Second
Second
from
from
right.
right, if you remove
remove.
right. Right,
Yes.
second from right.
Yes.
So then that will
yes.
become 1, then you get 2.
And
go-
this
put
goes
it in
into the
previous
last
one.
slot.
Exactly.
No, no, no.
Yes.
It has to be the third one.
Now correct.
It
Correct.
has to be the third one, then that will become
Yeah,
3.
yeah,
right?
yeah. Now it's
That-
correct. It's correct. It's
1, 2,
correct.
3.
Tali
But
Bhaiya, we have so many smart people on the crowd.
We have, at least I have seen the video before.
So interesting.
Now, Ashwin is going to sing us a song. Ashwin is a very good singer.
No, no,
अरे
no.
वाह,
I can't.
अरे गाओ भाई.
And
अरे
गाना
नहीं
वाला
होता
गाता
है.
है.
Come on,
Sanjay,
Ashwin.
Sanjay गाएगा. Sanjay. I can't sing. Sanjay.
संजय गाना गाएगा नहीं तो मैं बात करूंगा बोलो.
चलो गाना गाता हूँ एक. चलो.
चलो गाने गाने.
Can't कहाँ से सुना यार तुमने? Where did you learn this from? I can't.
तो कुछ पुराना गाना गाता हूँ. With
चलो गा
JN's
ले.
permission. 74 राजेश खन्ना मेरे जीवन साथी.
अरे वाह.
क्या बात.
ओ मेरे दिल के चैन चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता मैं. तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं. मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए अब ही सनम फैसला कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. Thank you, sir.
Superb, superb.
वाह.
I've
Let me
completed
say,
615 songs today on Star Maker.
Oh, you sang?
Yes, 615 so far.
Great.
क्या बात है. क्या बात है. Very
Yeah, excellent.
superb.
Some duets, some solos.
You sang 600 songs today?
Not today. Over last 8-10 months.
Oh.
What is this called? Star?
Star Maker.
Star Maker. Okay. Wonderful.
It's a beautiful app.
Chalo, Deepak, you want to say something?
Now, Deepak,
yeah, just let me.
Deepak, presidential address.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are no titles out here. But yes, I would like to keep one thing categorically on record that Ganesh has been one of the founder members. He was one of the few guys who came in very early in the CEO Forum, and he has really been a big asset to the forum. I would put it that way. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
You can.
What I've always appreciated about Ganesh, he's immaculately dressed, always very polished. His shoes, his outfits, his beds, a very stylish man. And what I appreciate among people is how immaculate they are. Because very rarely does one come across someone who's so, the panache. That's what I look into a man. That apart, what I really like about him is the fact that he's been absolutely dedicated to his company. 40 years in one company is not a joke. 42 or 43 years now. I stand corrected. Maybe 43 years now, Ganesh?
Yeah, I
So
just
43
my 44th year.
44th year.
Wow. Same company. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And he's largely instrumental in making a success out of a company like Zydus, which started relatively small, but today is one of the top 3 or one of the top 5 companies. Most important is that till today, I have never heard Ganesh speak any nonsense. Quite often I have friends, even in the CEO forum, who speak nonsense, absolute nonsense. There are some guys in the CEO forum who have a tendency to post nonsense also. Till today, Ganesh has never posted anything that does not make sense. And that is something which I give very, very high marks for. You know? So Ganesh, thank you for being with us. You are a huge asset to the forum.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my privilege and my good luck.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Kishore, दो
Cheers,
बातें बोल.
cheers.
Kishore, दो बातें बोल.
Yeah, see, I have a great regard for Ganesh. The simple, I mean, the reason is my father also started his career as a medical representative in a multinational company, and he went up to marketing manager, looking after all India marketing. So from childhood, I always heard my father that, you know, from an MR job, he went to this one, he has gone up to marketing manager. After my father, I met someone called Ganesh, who also started his career as a medical representative. And he rose up to the director in one of the board member of one of the top companies in India. We are so proud of him that I know how the path is, how challenging is this, because it is not that easy to reach to that level, and one has to be a superhuman for that. And more than everything, he is an excellent friend, a very good friend. And ever since we knew each other, always we talk in our Konkani. All are there, we don't talk in Konkani, but otherwise we always talk in Konkani. And he is a lovely friend. So we will make a small song for him. मैं गाना बजाता है, मैं भी गाना गा रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा.
अरे वाह.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ
ऐसा यारा ना. सब गाएंगे यार, सब गाएंगे. संजय मुत्तल का.
तेरे जैसा
यार
कहाँ ऐसा
याराना
याद
करेगी दुनिया
तेरा मेरा
अफसाना
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ. Thank you for being a good friend, and I feel very privileged to know you, and being same industry. I mean, it is my really pleasure and privilege to know you and to be.
At this point of time, I would like to add something, Ganesh.
Yeah.
After I became friends with Ganesh, you remember, Ganesh, how I met you?
Yes, of course, I do. Very, very vividly. Vividly. Why do you ask that question? Yeah.
Anyway, you might want to narrate it after, but that's not important. But after some time, we met a couple of times. We met at the guest house a couple of times. And then we became very warm with each other. And then one day, I happened to tell Kishore, I said, Ganesh Nayak, bada interesting aadmi mila tha kabhi. Kishore Masurkar was so excited. He made a statement which I will never forget. He said, you know Ganesh Nayak? I said, हाँ. You know Ganesh Nayak? वो Zydus वाला? I said, हाँ. अरे उससे मुझे मिला दे यार. एक काम कर. You throw a party, invite him party मेरे तरफ से. Do you remember, Kishore? Do you remember you said, you throw a party? 20-25 लोगों गणेश को बोला पार्टी मेरे तरफ से.
पार्टी मेरे तरफ से.
Just to meet Ganesh Nayak.
ठीक है. So do you ask Ashwin Benigal then?
Ashwin बात कर यार.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you, Ganesh, and wishing you a wonderful year and a lot of prosperity, good health in the future. My association with Mr. Nayak, if I can put it that way, because I still have that special regard that I always enjoy, and that is as my boss. This goes back to 1990. So you can imagine for how long, this association has been, and, it's kind of nurtured, built over the last 31 years. So, of course, in the middle, for a number of years, I moved out of pharma and then went into, biomedical engineering and medical devices. That was, but we made sure that we didn't, lose touch. And thanks to Deepak, especially because after we came we got to know each other, and then we started the CEO forum together. So the bond with Ganesh and I, became much stronger. And it's my privilege to, be a part of the group where he is, and I see him as a mentor, as someone who, just like what Kishore just said, he started as a medical rep, and where he is today. That is exactly what I was. I also started as a medical rep, and it's come a long way for 30 years now. So today, I'm at a position where I feel proud with his mentoring and with his support, where I've been. Thank you very much, Ganesh. And, I just want to pray that you enjoy excellent health, and we keep meeting more often, have more parties. And thanks to Deepak and all of you, for making this wonderful evening. Thank you.
Jai Ganesha.
Jai Ganesha.
So I'm going to go next. GNN, as I fondly call him, because I met him first time on the forums, which are OPPI and IDMS. And I talked about this last when we celebrated, I think again your birthday last year, isn't it? When we met over this similarly in the evening. That one of the very critical decisions what Piramal took to move the entire R&D center, the CAMS business, to Ahmedabad. The decision of that I owe to this gentleman. Because one of the days when I had gone to Zydus and I met him, and he said, go and tell your boss, this is the place to come in, and whatever help you want, we will give it to you in SEZ. Then the other question was on the talent. He said, believe you me, and this is dated, this is 2005. He said, in next 10 years, you will study the best of the talent that will come into Ahmedabad. And true, today, Ahmedabad has one of the best infrastructure, one of the best pharma architecture in terms of the ability, in terms of talent, in terms of the network, in terms of the technology. So that's Ganesh Naik for me in terms of the that day's particular decision. But one facet of his personality, I'm sure all of you will bear me out, is his ability to put his hand around your shoulder. And that's so comforting. It's at his level and the position that he has risen. Even his organization tells me that even the last man in the queue in Zydus feels the same comfort that his promoter feels when he talks to him, and the last man in the queue feels in the organization. And even in the forum, we have seen this. Moment Ganesh Naik enters any evening party, the mood transforms completely. There is this vivacious personality that attracts everybody's attention. And this man unequivocally ensures that if there are 52 people, he has met all 52. Some of us meet about 40 and 12 will be just hi, hello. But this man, if you see, and I have seen this with my kind of observation, that he roams around with all 52 people, just ensuring to give that comfort to everyone that guys, here I am celebrating with you and we are one. I think that's a huge, huge quality in this gentleman. And no wonder where he is today, because this humility and ability to work through people is extremely central to any leadership. And this gentleman is a true example of that. He walks that talk day in and day out. So GNN, really, really grateful for your friendship and your guidance in life. So really respect you a lot. Thank you.
I mean, it means a lot to me because it comes from an HR professional who has made a mark in life. Not, I mean, making a mark in life depends on so many attributes you have. But genuinely, as part of the CEO forum, I think all of us, at least on this forum, know that it's not a it's not a lip service that I'm doing, but honestly, I'm honored because I have worked my way through, last 44 years in this organization, and I know what I've gone through. And from a man who's very analytical and who's, a qualified professional, it gives me a lot of comfort that maybe I've, really done something in life. So thank you immensely.
You are our role model.
Thank you.
Terrific. Very nice. Very nice. Anybody else would like to say something?
Yes, Deepak.
Arey, Raza bhai, Raza.
Yes,
Arey,
yes.
tree house. I can see your tree house behind you. Is there a tree house? I don't know.
Yes, that's a tree house.
Okay, okay.
I think we have been there, no, Deepak? We have been there.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we were there. We had a lovely evening, some terrific mutton, and a lovely evening spent in Dubai. And if I may just take half a minute more, Pramod Rao was the one who initiated this entire. Pramod, are you there? Pramod,
Yes, sir. I'm there.
where are you? Let me just see.
Sir, I'm there.
Pramod, where I can't see.
I'm there, sir.
Okay, Pramod. So
Yes,
Pramod
sir.
Rao had organized a fantastic session in Dubai. It was at the Marriott or someplace, at the Hilton, I don't remember. And Ganesh and I were both invited. And I had a show and Ganesh was a speaker. And after which Raza sent his car, I think, to pick us up. And we had a beautiful evening at his place. I remember that. So Raza, thank you so much. But Pramod Rao missed that evening. That is what I wanted to actually get across. Yeah, Raza ji, boliye.
Deepak, thank you very much for introducing me to this one of the most charismatic professionals I have ever met in my life. And I also started my career in the same way. I feel more proud when I meet people like GN. I also started my career way back in 1977-78 as a medical rep. And I can understand what it takes to come to this level in the same organization. And Deepak, I'm really thankful to you because I remember you sent me a message that I'm bringing along Ganesh Nayak, one of the stalwarts of the pharma industry. And it'll be a pleasure to meet you and have dinner in your place. So I apologize for one thing which you guys and Ganesh kindly agreed that, sorry, brother, and there cannot be alcohol in my place. So which you guys kindly accommodated. And it was from that day, such a charismatic personality you really find in life. And somehow I developed that connect and respect for Ganesh, which is everlasting. So Ganesh, it is such a pleasure and honor to know you and can relate so many things together. I started as a medical rep, but after becoming a product manager in Ranbaxy, I moved to fashion industry and I became a fashion designer for 7 years. And then I came back into hospitals. So the journey has been almost similar, but you are commendable to stay in one organization for what you have. So we are all proud of knowing you, Ganesh, and may God bless you always, and let us remain friends forever.
Yeah, Ali.
Beautiful, very nice.
Excellent.
Anybody else would like to say something?
I will just continue where Sanjay left off.
Yeah.
Mahesh bhai, namaste.
Ganesh, thank you. No, I just stuck with something. I'm sorry. So I think somebody speaking. Let them complete. I also just wanted to say a few words.
Ananda is speaking. Ananda, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to say just a minute. I want to sort of continue where Sanjay left off. I met Great Ganesh in the 2018 party, wearing one of those headgears from Devotee. Next day, I went and purchased one. And then there are many helpful people in the forum, but Ganesh being so senior, and all that. Once we had a little discussion about diabetes, and I was having and I just said, I'm having a little bit of an issue because my doctor wants me to take medicines. So immediately said, I will, let's discuss. And for about half an hour, and there was a third person on the call, I think Deepak Chabria was there. And Ganesh spoke for about almost half an hour explaining the ins and outs of diabetes and how he controls it and what we should do, etc., etc. And I'm forever thankful to you for that, Ganesh. I've never taken medicine, just controlled my food and exercise, and I'm fine.
I'm so
Happy
happy.
birthday.
Cheers to that.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Uh,
Anil Jaggi se ek do,
Nanda,
yeah, share do here in your own inimitable style.
Sure, sure.
Sorry.
I'm
You
so
know,
happy.
Deepak has collected a lot of gems on this forum. And among all these gems and precious things, I think there's a real diamond in all of us, which is Ganesh Naik. And I just discovered today that we both first started drinking in our college in a balti. So,
And the terrace.
like many of you all have been a medical MR, I started life too as a simple sales engineer. And I think this forum is really a collection of people who have succeeded in life on their own merit, I would say. And it's really a joy to have everybody on board here. So once again, wishing Ganesha a very, very happy birthday, and may God bless him with all the energy, good health, and prosperity to come. Thank you.
Anil, we still have about 20 minutes or 25 minutes to go. May I request you to quickly tell us about your career and how you met Anil, how you met
Ani,
Ani, yeah, how you met Ani and what transpired. Jaldi bol dena yaar, maza aa jayega.
chala. No issue, Deepak.
Please.
So as I said, I started life as a sales engineer with Crompton Greaves. I finished my engineering with VGTI. I was the youngest engineer in Bombay University. At age 20, I finished my graduate engineering, which I was told was the youngest at that point of time. Got into Crompton Greaves, spent about 3 years there, then spent another 3 years with Tata Exports. That's where I used to travel a lot overseas, and computers were just coming up. This was way back in 84, 85. And after Indira Gandhi's assassination, in 85, Rajiv Gandhi announced a new computer policy, if one remembers. And I thought that's the time that I should get into it. Coincidentally, Tata Exports promoted me and transferred me to Calcutta, which I didn't want to leave Bombay. So I just got married. I married at age 24. I told my wife, I'm quitting my job. I'm going to get into computers. I have an idea, and she supported me to the hilt. So this is now 35 years, 36 years that I've been in business. This year, with the grace of God, we clocked about $3 billion in revenue. And so this is, we're just about acquiring a company in Inflow, which you would have read some time back. That's a company which is into high-end enterprise distribution. So we'll probably become one of the largest in India. So Ani, I met when Ani was with a company called Redington India, also one of the largest things. And we used to be a dealer for, when I started the career, when I started our business, we used to be a dealer for Redington. So I used to literally go to Ani and say, please give me some computers, please give me some stock. He was the regional head of Western India. And we enjoy a great friendship since then. He, Raji, I know them since then. Sunil Dutt also. I mean, these are all friends from the IT and computer industry who have been friends for a very, very long time. Ani had a story to tell me at, when we met on the terrace of
Vipin Bhai.
Reshamaya. I think Ani, I'll leave that story to Ani to repeat. This is something that, I cherish in the sense that I always have believed in win-win. And as everybody said that Ganesh can, equate from the junior most to the senior most in line. I also take pride in saying in our company also, we have about 1,500 people working for us, that even the peon to the senior most, senior most, I'm the chairman, but my colleagues on board also, I mean, all are equal in that sense. Yeah. So Ani, that small story you told me about on the
Yeah, sure. Yeah, absolutely. So Ganesh's, Ganesh's growth, Ganesh's career has changed lives for a lot of people. And And while Anil is very humble in saying, you know, he used to ask me for stocks, which in a sense, literal sense may be true, but in a lot of ways, he's been very humble. I met Anil thanks to my boss. Okay. And, you know, I equate, this is a Guru Dakshina kind of session going on. So, Mr. Srinivasan and Anil
is my guru too.
yeah, yeah, but outstanding ethics and, you know, honesty between these two people. What happened was, I had a driver in Nariman Point, and he was very diligent, but I would never allow him to drive. So starting from home, from Andheri to Nariman Point and back, I would drive and he would sit next to me. And so since he was jobless, I asked him to do some filing. And because he did some great work, I asked my boss, I said, can we put him on the rolls? He said, okay, we'll do it in March. And then a couple of months later, my driver comes to me and says, my sister is getting married and the bank has sanctioned the loan, but they need a letter saying I work for the company. So I asked my boss, I said, can we prepone, you know, putting him on the rolls? He's not asking for money. He's just asking for a letter. So he said, no. We agreed that March he will come on rolls. So March he will come on rolls. This is October. Do you trust him? I said, yes. How much money does he need? I said, 20,000 rupees. How will he pay? 1,000 rupees a month. 20 months? Okay. I'm coming in 2 weeks to India. He used to be based in Singapore. So I'm coming to Mumbai. I will give you the money and you will deposit 1,000 rupees a month with the accountant. Believe me, I didn't know. Srini pulled out 20,000 rupees in cash and gave it to me. In the evening, I got to know all he did was make a phone call, said, Anil, I need 20,000. 20,000 came to Mr. Srinivasan. And I didn't know initially, but Anil, that gesture of yours saved somebody's life. And today that driver is responsible for 23 crores of inventory in the Mumbai warehouse of Redington, even now, after 27 years.
Wow. Fantastic. Amazing. Amazing.
Beautiful
So,
stories. Yeah.
thank you.
Fantastic.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
I think
Very
Mahesh Bhai wanted to say something. Mahesh Mudda.
Yes. Thank you. Let me start with wishing dear Ganesh that Ganesh wish you very, very happy birthday. And
मराठीमध्ये बोल ना, मला सांग ना तुमच्या या शुभेच्छा मराठीमध्ये बोल रे भाऊ.
या तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
नमस्कार.
Thank you. But let me tell you one thing, because we all love friends. We all like to have the connection with many people, but then very few. We keep meeting people in one life because you can't meet many, but very few get truly connected. And I must tell you, because Deepak, the kind of connection you created with us, the kind of connection we have with most of our team members, and Ganesh is one of them, because Ganesh means for me it's like energy, style. And I know because because we are celebrating his birthday, whatever 60 plus now, because I remember 60th birthday. I was there at your 60th birthday in Mumbai. I think Mayfair Hall or somehow one of the hall.
Mayfair Hall. That was 6 years ago.
Yes. And he, instead of 60th to 66, he looks like he's going backward because he's looking still young. And his energy level, his spirit, in terms of anything and everything, is amazing. I mean, because that's what I was telling you, because you meet friends, you get very few connected, and you truly feel and you truly miss them. Whatever, once in a month or once in a quarter, we're meeting, that one meeting, it's like energy booster. And I think a couple of times, Deepak and Ganesh, we met at his guest house in Mumbai. And we are truly looking forward to those kind of meets, because they go beyond all our, business and targets and anything and everything. And we truly, because remember those evenings, how we enjoy with the friends. And that's a great energy. Ganesh has taught me true style. He has given me few of those, this what birds, what do you call studs?
Studs.
Yeah. When I first time when I first time putting, my kids were laughing at me. Said, "Wow, what is this? What happened to you?" I said, "Nothing happened to me. My Ganesha happened to me. That's why it is there." So, truly it's amazing to have friends like Ganesh, and we really wish and pray because God give him the much healthier, happier because the life, the way he's enjoying, and we'll keep celebrating, because this kind of birthdays year on year, and grow with him younger year on year. Yeah, thank you, Ganesh.
Jai Ganesh.
Mahesh.
Thank you, Mahesh. Very well
Hey,
spoken.
Deepak.
Last is Pramod Rao.
Hey,
Pramod Rao, you are
Sorry,
the last person.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Pramod Rao is my bike rider. Wow.
Yeah.
How can I miss
Hey,
Pramod?
Deepak, I need 30 seconds after Pramod or before,
Please,
whichever.
please.
Yes.
I think
Okay, so,
Yeah, Deepak, I also need around 20 seconds.
you can talk. Anyone can talk as much as they want. Till
Deepak,
Ganesh
I'll be the
wants
last. I'll be the last. I have something
okay,
very
okay.
Can I talk?
to- Yeah, Pramod, you are on.
Okay. So once again, Ganesh, a very happy birthday. I also started my career as a medical rep. And today, after listening to so many good stories on medical rep, I was wondering why the hell I left that job. Maybe I could have also possibly come up like Ganesh. I'm not sure. But having said that, I met Ganesh thanks to his son. We were both riding Harleys, became friends, and then I met Ganesh. And I one day went to his office at Ahmedabad. And I was meeting a very big man, so I wore a nice suit, and I was trying to show off with my Mont Blanc pen on my suit. And as soon as I entered, the first thing he said, "You don't know how to wear a suit?" I said, "What happened?" I said, why is that? He said, "Why is that pen outside?" I said, "Where it should be?" He said, "Inside." I said, okay. So I removed my pen from outside. I wanted to show off to him that I've got a nice pen on me. And I removed it and put it in my pocket. Then he's telling me, "You don't know how to button a suit also." I said, "What did I do wrong?" He said, "Only one button, not all the buttons." So that is what Ganesh is for me. He's been a wonderful friend. And I'm in the forum thanks to Ganesh. He told me about this forum and I joined the forum. I've been to his house. I've met his family. I've met his children. Amazing. And one thing which I've never been able to understand is how does he manage to keep looking so young every day? Is it somebody told me the secret was Viagra. So I said, Viagra doesn't make a person's face look so good. So that is, Ganesh, one day possibly on a private conversation, let us know, no? We also want to look like you. That's from my side, Ganesh. Very happy birthday.
Pramod Rao is a real character. Please understand, we must meet him quite often. I mean, he's a very humble, simple, etc. I mean, I'm nothing compared to him. He's a man who brought in this technology of vigilance at home and outside. And today his company is one of the leaders in that.
Yeah.
Tycom Systems.
Yeah.
But sir, sometimes I think if I had a medical rep, maybe I've done better.
Sorry, beg your pardon?
Sometimes I feel I should have been a medical rep. I would have done better. After listening to all the great stories, Raza's story, your story, Ashwin's story.
No. See, Pramod, I understand. I know your situation, etc. But that's a different ballgame. Let's not discuss it here. I know you've been tight times, but I mean, you are a good guy. Trust me, you're a good guy. I know you, I know your family, etc. But fine. I don't think this is a forum to discuss that. But Pramod,
Yes,
I really, value my friendship with you. Suffice to say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless, sir.
Yeah, so we have another 5 minutes. Kishore would say something.
One thing,
Ali,
one thing I wanted to tell about the same thing what Mahesh has said. Yes, regarding our great party once at your guest house, and after a couple of drinks, he gave me those studs, and believe me, I was wearing them for at least 6 months after that, and still I have it, and I am still cherished it. And that day, after that, this thing, we took one selfie. I mean, let me show that selfie to you all, please. Yeah.
Please do.
Yeah. So see, look at my ear. You know, he only put those stud in my ear, and he said, "Chalo, tere kaan mein main dalta hu abhi." You know. Thank you.
Nice.
So it's amazing. You are an amazing personality, and it's really great. Thank you.
Ali, you want to say something last? Then we wind up.
Yeah, Deepak, I also after this.
whoever.
So two things. One is Deepak, thanks for introducing me to Ganesh. And like Ganesh remembers distinctly his first meeting with you, I also remember distinctly our first meeting. And then we
Your
became
meeting?
very thick friends.
Oh.
You and me.
Andy and I, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But having said that, even before I physically met Ganesh, this was, I think, we met at Bipin Bhai's house for the first time. But he has visited the US a couple of times prior to that. And he's taken the time out. He was up north somewhere, I think in Connecticut or New York. He would send a message, he would find time, he would call, we would have a 45-minute, 1-hour conversation, express inability that this trip I cannot come to Atlanta, agle baar aunga to pakka aunga. He's like honey to bees. The power of networking. I mean, some of these things that you observe, right, from people and try to glean off. So great inspiration, Ganesh, and obviously meeting you in person was Sone Pe Suhaga. Good meeting you, and wish you really a very healthy life.
And thank you. Thank all of you. Anyone else wants to speak? Anyone wants to speak?
Deepak, me. Deepak.
Yes, Ashwin. Yeah.
Yeah. Since we are, I want to be the person who will wish our dear Ganesh Naik with a small, nice song. I would say just about 4 or 5 lines. This is actually very dear to me because it's in Sanskrit, and Sanskrit is our mother language. So this was actually sung in the in the schools when we were children, and even in my son's boarding school. This was actually put together by Swami Chinmayananda. If you don't mind, I would just like to recite that. It won't take more than a few seconds. This is actually for Ganesh. Yeah. Janmadinamidam aipriyasya ke santanutute sarvadamudam prarthayamahe bhavasatayushi ishvara sada tvam cha rakshatu punya karmanam kirti marjaya jivanantaha bhavatu sartakam janmadinamidam aipriyasya ke santanutute sarvadamudam.
Outstanding.
Super.
Outstanding.
Nice.
So I think it was a very beautiful meeting, and like all good things come to an end. Thank you guys for coming here. I would like to thank all of you. Thank you so much. Anil Jagesiya, Anand Bhaumik, Ashwin Benegal, Mahesh Buddha, Kishore Masurkar, Ani Joshi, Sanjay Muttal, Pramod Rao, and Raza Siddiqui. Thank you for attending this little do. With that, good night, good luck. Fir milenge.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Cheers.
Thank you. Once again, happy birthday, brother. God bless.
Once again, happy birthday.
Once again,
Ganesh.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ganesh.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Have a great evening. Bye, Anando. Bye, Anando.
Bye.
Ganesh is saying
everybody.
something. Ganesh is saying something.
Ganesh, you want to sing a song? Ganesh, last.
I said, before we finish, I must thank you for taking this initiative, because trust me, the things which came out today, I mean, these are good things which make us feel good, no? And I have so many bad examples, like Dr. K.K. Agar was not like Ashwin, a very dear friend, but I knew him fairly well. In fact, the day before yesterday, I was talking to my sons and I rang him up. I knew he was in the hospital. I thought, maybe somebody will take the call and all that. And he died, yesterday. So life is very fickle, yeah. We just don't know what can happen tomorrow. So in light of this, Deepak, I thank you immensely. Immensely means I don't have enough words or thinking to thank you for having organized this kind of a thing. It's not because of it's my birthday. My birthday is secondary. Primary is the thoughts which we shared. And I think that is what is keeping us alive. Whether you are Anil Jagesiya, who is the biggest man in terms of whatever his wealth is, or Deepak Rao in terms of his equation, or somebody else, we have our dear friend Kishore, who runs a very successful business. I mean, all that overnight, yeah. I mean, I just can't imagine that KK is no more. KK was only 62. He was 62. He had the best of availability of medicine. Not only available, he knew what to do. And if that guy could have died, I mean, you know how fickle life is. And these are the moments which will really matter, if at all they do. So Deepak, I thank you very, very much, immensely. In fact, I do not have enough words to thank you for what we had in the last, what, 1 hour? 1 hour? Super. Thank you very much. And let's live safely. Let's hope, yeah, we continue being alive and having such interactions. Thank you.
God bless. God bless.
God bless.
Very
God
much.
bless. God
Very
bless.
much. Good night, Ganesh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dear.
Bye.
Thank you, dear.
Bye.
Thanks, dear.
Bye.